Hello everybody, Deidre Davis here, your critical thinking instructor at Ross, and I'd like to go through the Week 3 discussion with you. And if you look, you know that you're going to access everything from modules, just a reminder. And to the left here are the instructions for the assignment. Make sure that you respond to a minimum of 2 of your classmates' postings, which add substance to our discussion in order to exceed expectations. Make sure you're doing that. Now let's go over the Week 3 discussion assignment in step 1. This week we are exposed briefly to a variety of fallacies. And if you go to the home page right up here, click it. And in fact, let's just go over to it so that you can see it and you can see what I've done. This is the home page, and you're going to read all the information here. And I know this is the week 2, but week 3 is set up the same way. You're going to read all that great information because I've outlined exactly what it is that you need to do. But let's go back to the week 3 discussion. Now, you're going to choose 5 of the fallacies that are covered this week, and then identify an example of each online. Then answer the following questions. That means that you're going to need to find those examples of those fallacies online. And I've provided a link on the home page. Scroll down to the bottom and it says logical fallacies. And it has a number of different fallacies that you can choose from. But you're going to choose 5 of the fallacies that are in your in chapter 5. And then give me examples of them. That's it. And answer these 5 questions. What are the 5 fallacies you selected? What are they? List them out. Where did you find an example of each fallacy? Share your examples. You're going to give me an example of each. And if you got it off the internet, you need to cite where you got it. Tell me where you got it. What was the link? Do you know how to cite using APA format? If you don't, I'm going to give you a tool called Scriber that will help you cite your source. Or you can use some other APA citation generator. That's what it's called. Or if you know how to cite, then just write it out. In your examples, how are the fallacies employed to raise the probability of the conclusion being correct? In other words, how is it worded in such a way that the conclusion of the fallacy, and remember what a fallacy is, that it would be correct, not wrong, but correct. You know you're going to have to do a little reading, right? What are the weaknesses of the logical fallacy? What are the weaknesses? Something that's not quite right. All right. And then you're going to read other students' posts and respond to at least 2 of your classmates. Okay? If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, please make sure that you are contacting me. But first, make sure that you go to the home page and read everything I provided. And go to those page numbers. I actually kind of laid it out for you. I did everything but answer the questions. But let's see what fallacies you come up with. And what fallacies your classmates come up with. All right, I look forward to seeing everybody on the discussion board. And I also hope to see you on the week 3 check-in. Don't forget, check in with us. Let us know how you're doing. Everyone, have a wonderful Thanksgiving.